It is an we will celebrate it at the iconic Eden Gardens. Dance and music and celebration. First time captain of the Kolkata Knight Riders. Look, KKR fans, what's happening? They play each of their other teammates. Fox come here. So has Ajinkya Rahane. What a Virat Kohli, Liam Livingston from Bengaluru. That toss a little while ago. RCB fans, what does the IPL mean to you? So many. And they've decided they will cheer Ajinkya Rahane, Rinku Singh, Ankrish. Powerful combination at the end. RCB, Kohli and Salt. Then Krunal Pandya. Have a good game, gentlemen, if you know.
And this year it's the build-up in the 18th year.
What they saw, had a quick chat with Virat.
Under strike rate is 160. Sharma, who can hit the ball long with plenty of and very experienced.
And now it's a full-blown adult.
Anticlimactic.
And the first boundary comes up. Play that in slow motion, it will still travel rapidly to the boundary.
Well, there is very, very, very little margin for error. Just a little short, just a little wide outside the off stump, and you can see what has happened. Gets into...
Oh, straight out, somebody's going to come underneath this. And it's put down. Can you imagine? It's put down by Surya Sharma. Absolute sitter. Down inside the circle and shot mid-wicket. And now he gets the wicket. This is a great delivery from Josh Hazlewood, and this is some opening over.
It is full of action. Boundary of the second ball, then a
Takali. Straight up, this is so Sunil Narine.
Well, he's played the same shot for the first three deliveries. He missed all of them. This time,
well, he's found the boundary, and he'll be the first to admit it was a ball that demanded one.
Yeah, no problems there, just drifting onto the legs. And now captain of a side that's the game.
Right, Rahane is here. The captain has arrived at the Eden Gardens in the power play.
super shot there, super shot.
Now he goes out through mid-wicket. Wow, Ajinkya Rahane looks in good nick.
Well, the first one was a pretty average ball. This is more of a back of the length into the wicket type ball. And the sound of this was just simple.
And bang! Into the crowd for six. So Sunil Narine wasting no time in getting after the spinner.
Well, it was their strength last IPL. They just got off the flyers, and take a look at this shot. Back of a...
Good shot. He's in the mood, and the fact that he's captain, you know, eliminates a lot of other... he's just piercing the field. Boundaries galore for both these players. Doesn't matter. When it's going your way, it's going your way.
Last year, it's got tighter.
Oh, lovely shot this. Wow, what a pickup shot for six. The 50 partnership comes up. And it's been a breeze of just 29. Sweet. Loose delivery, a full toss. But he adjusted well there on it.
And I think he tried to take pace off it, which it wasn't too bad, the thinking, but...
Well, this time, he doesn't miss out. Short, wide, easy pickings for Ajinkya Rahane.
Oh, that's nice. That's smart. That was intended from Narine.
For a guy that usually looks at blood.
Oh, that's high into the night sky. 6 for Rane.
And after 18 innings, he gets to a half-century. As leader of this franchise this season, he started... Terrific, terrific ball striking, now by Sunil Narine.
They're really picking their spots nicely. This was again...
He is bludgeoned that. He's showing fine touch and awareness of the gaps. 96. Lovely placement. When you see this again, you would see a deliberate effort by Narine, not to smash it, but just to place it. That's as astounding as any shot he's played here tonight. 100 partnership comes up between Narine and Rahane.
Been 11 sixes.
Got him! Edge through to the keeper. Finally! RCB saw that finger raise.
Ball stop the horizontal bat shots.
We've seen tonight is saying something. Straight to the backward square. That's a showstopper. It has stopped the Jinka Rahane in his tracks. Krunal Pandya strikes.
There's a double whammy here.
Which stops the batsman from getting underneath it and hitting him down the ground. Liam Livingston.
He's lucky, Suyash, to only get away with 4, I think, because that could have been climbing into the crowd 10 rows back. Good stop, very good stop. Yes, it's going to Yash's strong hand, his left hand. Stylish and effective. That's worth another look at the control and panache. Stylish and effective.
And gets a wicket too. A bouncer, then another quick ball, and he's showing why he's such a versatile bowler.
Petition.
Puts that in the gap. And wasn't much of a gap. It was long gone. Now he gets another, and what a great way to finish. Push that ball through very quickly. Oh, he gave him room. He's just allowed Andre Russell to get away.
But that is what happens when you're bowling to an Andre Russell. You're so scared, and that's the only word.
Oh, and he gets him with the wrong hand. And it has worked, keeping the spinner going. Well done, skipper. You kept the spinner going, even though he was going at 13s and over. And he's delivered the big... for India recently. And he's looking even better. I just said, where can you score runs of Hazelwood? That is where you can score runs of Hazelwood. It's a young man, Raghuvanshi. And he heard you, babe. Sliced, just one. And I'll tell you what, there was a young man who was charging round the bend on the boundary. Don't take their chances. Brilliant in the field. Right, here's one for the two of you now. We're having... Up goes the finger. Just makes it an even better over. This is an outstanding over from Yash Dayal. The set. Oh, this happens too. He continued cutting trees and finally the axe struck something. Straight up. Keeper wants it. It's not an easy one. But he takes it his fourth of the innings. He's had a good day, Jitesh Sharma. RCB are having just a single. Outstanding. Absolutely outstanding. From the Royals over Yash Dayal. Very good there. 24. At the Eden Gardens. Punchy. Two small numbers. 4.
He averaged
40 runs last year. And what about this?
I'd get it to hold up, but
White ball format. He's only... And straight away! Crunched shot. There in a nutshell is Phil Salt for you.
one of the guys in the world game in fist.
It's a little dab on the onside. Don't think he's got enough to get to the boundary. And it does go. Not in control, but doesn't matter. So change of pace. This time it's going Salt's way. One bounce into the boundary for 4.
Just like the way he's maintaining his shape in all the boundaries he's in. Have a look.
Once again clears the infield. This time clears it well. Another 6. He's going after Varun Chakravarthy. And he goes there. He goes exactly where Andre Russell was standing.
This is a sizzling start, really. 40 from just 18, he's striking. But he moved a little bit across.
And the crowd is chanting RCB here at Eden Gardens, and Kohli joins in. This is electrifying.
That's a wonderful shot.
Johnson has switched ends. It's a repeat dose, even better. Very little fuss. Very little movement from Kohli, that is. Smart again, smart again. Found the gap. They're taking no prisoners and playing with great intent here, these RCB openers. No respect for Chakravarthy.
There's a fielder there. It's not going to work. And RCB just go on. Just a slide.
With a straight bat. That's
Taken. He's bowled wrong runs for a long time at Phil Salt. Now 2 leg breaks. Spin. 1,000 against KKR, and he's charging back for the second. No, he says, oh, the other particle slipped, but it doesn't matter. Well, it's not rash, it's commanding. Virat Kohli, he might have found the fielder. He has, right in the deep. Just saying, are they going to play out Sunil Narine? No, they're not. For Virat Kohli. Even here in Eden Gardens, the bastion of KKR, they're chanting Kohli, Kohli. Another eye catcher, this time from Patidar. He's a magnificent player of spin.
tournament.
Oh, just over. He's come out playing shots here, Rajat Patidar. They're running towards it.
I'm with you.
Placed beautifully by Patidar. He's looking in control. Oh, he might have found the gap again. It was here that he first told the world, come look at me as an uncapped player, and got 100. Brilliant! As RCB captain. And it keeps going. Just keeps going. That maybe is a bit of a gimme on that leaderboard. There's a fielder there. There's a fielder there. The catch is taken. Rinku Singh with the catch was a wonderful little cameo, but it's over.
A cracking shot that. Wow. That's in the air, and it's 6. Just using the pace. If they can chase down scores. That's over. It's all over.